How to invest in Bitcoin safely for beginners 2022. Due to the exponential growth of the cryptocurrency market in the last few years, more people than ever are looking to invest in Bitcoin to potentially generate market-beating returns. This article will discuss how to invest in Bitcoin in detail, reviewing the top trading platforms in the market and highlighting how you can make your Bitcoin investment today, with tight spreads and no hidden fees. How to invest in Bitcoin, quick steps. Investing in Bitcoin doesn't have to be complicated. Found below are the 4 quick steps you need to take in order to buy Bitcoin with our recommended trading platform, eToro. Open an account with eToro, head to eToro's homepage and click Join Now to sign up. Your capital is at risk. Deposit at least $10 into your trading account using a credit/debit card, bank transfer, or e-wallet. Search for Bitcoin, type BTC or Bitcoin into the search bar at the top of your screen and click Trade. Invest, enter the amount you'd like to invest in Bitcoin, minimum of $10, double-check everything is correct, and click Open Trade. Where to invest in Bitcoin? We've identified the 2 best and safest platforms to make your first Bitcoin investment. 1. eToro, overall best broker to invest in Bitcoin safely. Our recommended trading platform for traders looking to invest in Bitcoin is eToro. eToro Exchange has a stellar reputation worldwide, boasting over 23 million registered users and operating in over 100 countries. One of the most appealing aspects of the eToro platform is that it is regulated by multiple top-tier entities, including the FCA, ASIC, SEC, SEC, FINRA, and is licensed by the FSCS in the UK. When trading Bitcoin, eToro doesn't charge a transaction fee when you open or close a trade. Instead, the platform employs a spread-based structure quoted at only 0.75% for BTC trading. The great thing about eToro is that when you trade crypto, you will gain complete ownership of the underlying crypto asset. Furthermore, eToro charges no deposit or monthly account fees, making the trading process very cost-effective. Users can make deposits from as little as $10, and eToro accepts a range of payment options, including credit/debit cards, bank transfers, and e-wallets, including PayPal, Skrill, and Neteller. Finally, eToro really excels when it comes to trading features and offers a unique copy portfolio feature for all traders. This allows users to invest in a professionally managed portfolio without paying any hefty management fees. eToro even offers a crypto portfolio, which comprises many major digital currencies, allowing for exposure to price movements in the broader crypto market. Binance, best Bitcoin investment platform with huge asset selection. Another option if you're looking to invest in Bitcoin is Binance. According to CoinMarketCap, Binance is the world's largest cryptocurrency exchange, conducting over $22.6 billion in trading volume during the last 24 hours. Binance stands apart from many of its competitors in the space thanks to its vast asset selection, as users can trade on over 500 crypto assets, including altcoins, ERC20 tokens, and even crypto trading pairs. Binance's fees are some of the lowest in the industry, as the platform only charges a 0.1% maker/taker fee. However, if you hold any BNB in your trading balance, Binance's native cryptocurrency, you can reduce these fees by 25%, meaning it'll be only 0.075% per trade. When it comes to deposits, these are entirely free to make if funding your account in crypto or USD. However, if you're looking to deposit in GBP or other currencies, there will be a small fee. Should I invest in Bitcoin? Found below are 3 of the main reasons why traders and analysts believe Bitcoin is a good investment. Great store of value. As reported by Reuters, Goldman Sachs analyst Zach Pandal recently stated that Bitcoin is set to compete with gold as a store of value. Pandal noted that BTC already has a 20% share of the store of value market, with this percentage expected to grow even more in the years ahead. Ultimately, this means that Bitcoin is expected to maintain its value in the future, whilst others may depreciate. Due to this attribute, investors tend to flock to stores of value during times of uncertainty, as they provide a good investment opportunity to store capital and maintain spending power. Potential for high returns. A quick glance at the BTC price chart will highlight the incredible returns that the coin has made during specific periods. For example, Bitcoin rose a staggering 1,351% between March 2020 and April 2021, and even increased by 132% between July 2021 and November 2021. If you're familiar with the equity market, you'll know that returns such as these are sporadic. Thus, Bitcoin represents a great investment opportunity for those with a considerable risk appetite, as it can potentially generate returns that are larger than other asset classes. Diversification benefits. Finally, Bitcoin is an excellent addition to your portfolio if you want to increase diversification. An article by Swiss Gold found that there was a great degree of inconsistency between the returns made in the crypto market and the returns generated from the S&P 500. This finding highlights how good BTC could be for portfolio diversification, as when equities fall, there's a good chance that Bitcoin's price movements could balance out some of these losses. Ultimately, this is ideal for investors looking to improve the risk-return profile of their portfolio. What is the best way to invest in Bitcoin? Now that we've discussed the question, is Bitcoin a good investment? Let's take a look at the investment process. Found below are two of the most popular ways that investors can gain exposure to BTC's price movements in the market. Buying Bitcoin. Understandably, the most popular way to gain exposure to Bitcoin is by buying the cryptocurrency itself. By purchasing BTC, you'll gain direct exposure to price movements. To provide an example of this, if you bought BTC when it was at $50,000, and it rose to $100,000 over the course of a year, you'll have made a 100% return on your investment. Obviously, this can work the other way too, as any price decreases after your purchase will result in a loss. However, buying Bitcoin is ideal if you're a speculative investor, as you'll own the underlying asset and can add to, or close out, your position whenever you like. How to invest in Bitcoin stock. Another option to consider is Bitcoin stocks. If you're wondering how to invest in Bitcoin stock, this refers to the process of purchasing shares of companies that have a relationship with BTC. Many companies meet this criterion, although Coinbase and Riot Blockchain are just two of the most popular. How much should I invest in Bitcoin? A recent article by Time interviewed numerous top financial advisors and asked them how much they'd recommend investing in cryptocurrency. Their answers ranged from 1% of your portfolio to 2 to 5% of your net worth, depending on your risk appetite. As you can see, nobody is advocating for placing large amounts of your capital into cryptocurrency due to its inherent volatility, so it's wise to develop a strict trading plan that works for you and your investment goals. This view is compounded by the Economy Watch article on investing in Bitcoin. Bitcoin investment numbers explained. As you'll likely be aware, the process of making money when BTC trading will be based on the price you invested at and the price that you close your position at. Here's an example. You invest $1,000 in Bitcoin when the price is at $40,000. After 1 year, the price of Bitcoin rises to $100,000. You decide to close out your position and take your profits. As the price has increased from $40,000 to $100,000, which is a 150% increase, your investment amount will have also increased by 150%. Due to this, your $1,000 will have turned into $2,500. It's worth noting that most brokers and exchanges will still charge the spread when you close out a trade, which will reduce profits somewhat. For example, if the spread was 0.50%, the price the broker closes your position at will be 0.50% lower than the market price. This can essentially be defined as the broker's cut. So there you have it, some of the soundest ways to invest in Bitcoin. Proceed below to open an account. Crypto assets are a highly volatile, unregulated investment product. No UK or EU investor protection. Your capital is at risk. Additionally, 68% of retail investor accounts lose money when trading CFDs with this provider. You should consider whether you can afford to take the high risk of losing your money. The above content is non-editorial, and BCCL hereby disclaims any and all warranties, expressed or implied, relating to it, and does not guarantee, vouch for or necessarily endorse any of the content. Crypto/NFTs are unregulated, highly risky, and there may be no regulatory recourse for any loss from such transactions. Readers to exercise caution/due diligence, and comply with all applicable laws, including but not limited to taxation laws. Above content does not constitute investment advice nor promotes, suggests or presents crypto/NFTs to solve financial difficulties/achieve financial security/act as an alternative to employment/income opportunity.